Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So today, I will quickly show you how you can download and extract font to your Pixellab application. So you have to download the font first. So I've downloaded mine. So I will just drop the link where you can download yours on this video description link. So you can just click on this description link and download yours. So after you have downloaded the font, it is packed, so you have to uncompress it because it has compressed already. So it has, I think, 200 fonts inside it. So after you download it, you need this application to extract it. So it is called retjeh. So I want to extract the font now before I can import it to the Pixellab application. So the next thing for you to do is to click on this retjeh. Now you have to locate the file, where your application is downloaded to. So I have moved my hand for easy to this PAZ download. So this is it. Front packs by Jonex graphics.zip. So anything you see zip is compressed, so you have to uncompress it before you can open what is inside it. So the next thing for you to do is to click on it, just one tap like this. So it will show you something like this. So the next thing for you to do is to, if you click on this extract here now, it means you want to extract all your front to be under this phx download. So but I don't want it to be under this file. So the next thing for me to do is to click on this extract here. So I have to click on this, the second one, this extract here, the second one here. So this one, so you click on it, just one tap. So the next thing for you, it will show you this app, this icon. You see the green icon below here, it will show you. So the next thing for you to do, when you want to back it, so you have to be clicking on this file like this. So don't click on this back on your phone, just click back here. So let's say I want it to extracted to Bluetooth file. So I click on this Bluetooth. So the next thing for you to do is to click on this green icon here, this green that's pointed to the below. So just click here, then it will be exporting, it will be extracting the front that's inside it. Now let's wait for it to load. Now the front has been extracted successfully. So the next thing for me to do is to go to my Pixellab application without wasting too much of our time. So this is my own Pixellab application. So if your own Pixellab is showing, is a normal one, maybe it's not a premium one, so you can just download it, because in this premium application there is a little follow come front like this, so which is not in normal application. You can just check the video description, so you will see the link there to download the premium one. So this is my front. Now you can see it only contains a little, you see it's only a little. So I want to import the file that I just extracted. So click on this file, then I've known that it's on Bluetooth, download Bluetooth. So just click on this add directory, just click it, it's below here, just one tap. So the front are successfully imported to my Pixellab application. So this is it. So that's how you can download, extract and import any front to your Pixellab application. So if you still have any difficulty in doing this, just check the description link of this video. You will see my WhatsApp link there. Click on it and chat with me privately, or you can drop comments under this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notification whenever I drop any tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video tutorial.